Good morning, friends. Last night there was raining. Today, early morning also, there was raining. The good thing is the forecast, weather forecast. Nowadays, they are able to judge depending upon the weather conditions. Catalyst maps are now available to predict when will rain come and go. All these things are nowadays done. I could see the clouds passing slowly. Very cloudy sky. The satellite map nowadays predicted, shown to viewers. The science is great. The scientists are great. Who are trained in this line are doing the fantastic job. Oh, I like this. So I am making this video to present to my friends. This will be a record in my YouTube page. I have made lot of YouTubes. There are subscribers also. See, it is very fantastic. I am a natural lover. Nature is great. That gives us everything. We are able to live with nature only. The sky, the sea, the mountain, the landscape, everything fine. So I love so much the weather, the nature. Thanks, nature. I love you.